In this video, I'll show you how to remove YouTube account from TV. To get started, you need to go ahead and open your TV. Now, if you need to remove your YouTube account from your TV, the first thing that you'll need to do is you need to go ahead and open the app on your TV. Launch YouTube on your TV. Now, head over into your profile. So, you'll usually find that at the top right corner of your screen. Under that, you'll be able to find an option to manage your account. So go ahead and navigate to settings and find accounts. Now, in there, go ahead and choose your account and select sign out or remove. So you'll usually find that into the settings of your TV under the YouTube app, and that's basically how you can remove YouTube account from TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.